Hello dear learners and welcome back to English class of Pradeep sir. Today we will deal with English first paper, and before starting the lesson I like to show you some pictures. Look at the picture and think about this. Do you know the personality in the picture? Yes, Kalpana Chawla. So can you guess what may be the topic today? Yes, certainly Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla part 2 to women. Lesson 3, People or Institutions Making History, Unit 1. Learning outcomes. At a glance, we will say, after the lesson, we will be able to say the meaning of some new words, say about the tragedy of Kalpana Chawla, tell something about the spacecraft. Let's discuss about the meaning of some words. There are some given words: conduct, deploy, disintegrated, ill-fated, malfunction, penetrate. Dear students, discuss the meaning of the words among yourselves, and I will facilitate you. Conduct. Can you say the meaning of conduct? Yes, you can say give direction to do something else. Deploy. Use something effectively. Yes, you can say this. Disintegrated. Do you know the meaning of the word disintegrated? Okay, we will see the meanings in the screen. Conduct, to organize a particular activity. You told give direction to do something. Same meaning, so no problem. Deploy, to use something effectively. You told this. Disintegrated, broken into parts. Yes. Ill-fated, one who is unfortunate. That is a an unfortunate person. Okay. Malfunction, inability to work. Yes. Penetrate, manage to enter into. Okay, now we will go to the next slide. Read the multiple choice questions below and find the answers from the text in the next slide. There are some multiple choice questions. You have to find out the right option for the questions, and you have to find out the right option from the text. So before going to the before reading the text, we will see the questions first. Okay, you need not to see the options because there are many options and they may mislead you. So you try to remember or keep in mind the questions, and it will help you to find out the right options from the text in the next slide. Okay, first question, shuttle means, that is you have to find out the meaning of the shuttle. Okay, scheduled stands for, this is also meaning related. Retrieve denotes, the term external refers to. Question number 5, what is meant by launch? Okay, we will go to the text now. What was first question? Shuttle. From the text, can you say what does the shuttle mean? Space. Spacecraft. Yes, you can say this. Spacecraft. The passage is related to Kalpana Chawla's mission on a spacecraft. Okay. Scheduled stands for routine. Okay, maybe. Retrieve denotes. Retrieve. Yes, regain. This is common word. The external refers to interior. Okay. You can. Yeah. Okay. It may be. What is meant by launch? What do you like to say? Number A, sending a spaceship into space. Okay, we will see the answer. Spaceship, you told this. Quite right you are. Scheduled, routine, regain, you told for denotes. This is right also. The external refers to exterior. In this case, you are right also. What is meant by launch? Sending a spaceship into space. So, for all the questions, you have given right answer. Thank you all. Now, read the questions below and answer them from your understanding of the comprehension in the previous slide. Work in pairs. This is pair words. Okay. Look at the questions. What happened to the fate of Kalpana Chawla? Already you have read the text and you can guess the story of Kalpana Chawla's life. So I think you will be able to give answer of the question number A. What was the cause behind the accident? What was the cause behind the accident? Okay. Who died in that mishap? In that accident, who died? Okay, you will find the answer from the text. Why has the space shuttle Columbia been called ill-fated? The space shuttle Columbia is called ill-fated. Why? You will find the reason. Okay. What is the duration of Kalpana's first mission in space? How long she stayed in that mission? Okay. We will go to the text again. In the first para, there is no information about her fate. This is we get the information. Kalpana Chawla's mission began, when it began, and she was responsible for what? For deploying the Spartan shuttle. Okay. In the second para, also there is no information about her fate. What was happened to her fate? But in the third para, we see what happened to the fate of Kalpana Chawla. What happened? Yes, there is marked by orange color. Chawla died only 60. Chawla died. Okay. Died. So what happened? Chawla died only 16 minutes prior to their scheduled landing. Okay. Before landing, there happened an accident, and in that accident Chawla died. What was the cause behind the accident? So for this question we have to find the reason behind the accident, why the accident happened. Okay, there is information about it. Green colored investigation shows that this fatal accident happened due to a damage in one of Columbia's wings caused by a piece of insulating foam from the external fuel tank peeling off during the launch. So accurate answer, the complete answer we get from the text here. Okay. Now who died in that mishap? In that accident, who died? All the crew. This is colored, blue colored, the information here. All the crew in Colombia including Chawla died. So for the question number 3 we can say all the crew died in that mishap. Question number D, why has the space shuttle Columbia been called ill-fated? Why it is called ill-fated? Why it is called ill-fated? We can say it is called ill-fated because in that mission all the crew died. We can say this. Okay. Sorry. You can say this. The space shuttle Columbia has been called ill-fated because in that mission all the crew died. What is the duration of Kalpana's first mission in space? How long? That is, you have to say how long Kalpana's first mission was. Okay. Here is the information in the last paragraph, first line. After a 16-day scientific mission, in space on 1st February 2003, Columbia disintegrated over Texas. So duration we find here 16 days. We need the information how long. So we get here 16 days. So we can say the duration of Kalpana's first mission in space is 16 days. Okay. Now work in groups and make a list of 5 events happening in Chawla's life. You have to make a list of 5 events that happened in Chawla's life. Already you read the text twice. So I think you got the idea. You would be able to make a list of 5 events happening in Chawla's life. What happened in Chawla's life? So we can go again to the text. Chawla's, what happened? Okay, here is the text from the first para and second para. You can take the information what happened in Chawla's life. You can write first space mission began on 19 November. This is one incident or event that happened in Chawla's life. Okay, there is another information about her first mission, and she traveled 6.5 million miles. This is another incident. So you can give the answer from this information. In second para, there is in 2000 she was selected for her second space mission STS-107. This is another incident or event that happened in Chawla's life. Okay, so try yourself. 5 minutes you will get to give answer of this question. Okay, so I think you have completed your work, group work. Okay, now you match them with the point mentioned in the screen. Okay, the list of 5 events happening in Chawla's life. First space mission in 1997. B. Traveling 6.5 million miles in first mission. Being selected for second space mission STS-107. Mission on the ill-fated space shuttle Columbia. Died only 60 minutes prior to scheduled landing. So in this way you can give answer of this question. Okay, work individually. Now this is individual work, and summarize the text in your own language. 3 or 4 times I think you have already read the text, and now I think it would be very easy for you to summarize the text. Okay, I think you have completed your job. I think you know better how to write down summary of the passage. Summary, you will try to write shortly. Okay, and of course in your own language. Okay, this is evaluation part. Based on your reading of the passage, make short notes in each of the boxes in the flow chart showing the activities of Chawla's life. One has been done for you. Here you will fill up the flow chart. Okay, first one is done for you. Deploying the Spartan shuttle. Okay, try yourself, and you know how to write flow chart, how to give answer of the flow chart. You try to follow the first one which has been done for you, the pattern of the first one. Here we see the first one started with verb plus ing, so you try to maintain this. Information may be written in another way, may be written in verb in third form, or ing form or infinitive, it doesn't matter, but you have to try to follow the first one. Okay, if first one started with V3, you will try to follow this, and if it starts with ing, and you will try to follow this. That's why it is called flowchart. Okay, so I think you have done. Now match your answer with this. The flowchart showing the activities of Kalpana Chawla for giving a nice answer in your exam paper. You will start in this way, writing the line red in color, the flowchart giving a title or yes title. The flowchart showing the activities of Kalpana Chawla. In this way you will start. Then you will point out the incidents. Okay. Starting first space mission in 1997, traveling 6.5 million miles in first mission. Third, being selected. In the passage we saw, here is written Kalpana Chawla was selected. So we have written here being selected. Okay. Following the first one. Bar plus ing. Okay. Being selected for second space mission STS-107. Taking responsibility. In the passage we see Kalpana Chawla took responsibility of microgravity experiments. So for giving information in flowchart, we have written here taking responsibility, because first one which has been done started with ing form. Okay, bar plus ing. And conducting the crew to 80 experiments. Okay, so okay, nice, very nice. You everybody raised your hands, and you have completed the job nicely. Okay, I think you'll get good marks in your exam. Okay, now we'll go to the next slide. Homework. Make 10 open-ended questions from the passage. Since you have to give answer of the open-ended questions, I have made homework for you. To do the homework, you have to make 10 open-ended questions. Okay, if you try to make questions from the text, it will help you think deeply, and you'll get all the informations, and you would be able to give answer of any kind of questions from the text. Okay, and you will try to make MCQ questions also. This will develop your skill. Okay, so we have reached at the end of the class. Thank you all for joining my class. If you enjoy the class and learn something from the class, you will share this with your friends, and you will subscribe the channel, YouTube channel entitled English Class of Pradeep Sir, so that your friends can take preparation from the class for your oncoming examination. Okay, thank you all.